Hi guys, welcome to another video. Welcome to my Talks UAE. My channel is all about how to make money, how to save money, and how to grow money in the UAE. So I am living in the UAE and I'm sharing with you guys my personal experience as someone who seeks to be financially free in the future. So if that's your goal, guys, make sure to subscribe and support the channel. We are now 1.12 subscribers, so I am really happy to see that number and can't wait to see the 2,000 subscribers number. So let's say if we're gonna hit that number or no. But make sure, guys, to see the videos that I am posting about investments, so you will know how to use your money and the best way to invest your money in the UAE. So today's video is going to be another Sarwa review. So I'm gonna show you guys my portfolio. So now let's go to Sarwa and see. So as you can see, my portfolio balance is getting low. So surprisingly, the stock market is really doing bad. So, and of course, as a reflection, my Sarwa account will be also reflecting that. So the last time, I don't know if you still remember the last video, it was around 10,700, I believe. So now it's like $300 just gone in 2 or 3 days. So that's the stock market, guys, for you. So this is pretty normal. You're not going to be rich in 2 days. You're not going to be rich using the stock market in 1 year, not 2 years, 3 years. So this is a long-term investment. So if you are planning to get rich in 1 year, or let's say 6 months or something, Sarwa is not the place for you. So this is my advice for you. So I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just telling you the reality and what's going on with the financial market. So these are my earnings. So far I'm still holding 364 profit from this account, which is around 3.61% from my net deposit, which is around 10,100. I know some of you guys would say that $10,100 can be actually put in somewhere that's gonna make me more money, and maybe I'm gonna get some more cash, or maybe set up business or something. But for me, I'm not planning to do that stuff because I don't have a lot of time to manage a business or something. And actually, in the UAE, to have a business is really expensive. So this amount doesn't mean you're gonna have a business in the UAE. You can try with a small business or something, but you have a really higher chance to uh, fail in that business. So for me, I'm not planning to do that kind of stuff right now. Maybe if I have a higher capital, if I have more money, maybe I'm gonna start considering that. But for me, Sarwa is still a really good investment platform. So I'm not actually complaining about the company or anything, but I know that the stock market is having a bad day. So I'm gonna show you just the trend, and you will see that, for example, VTI, it's going down a little bit, and all of them actually are doing the same thing. But if you consider the growth of this VTI, you will see that always there's some pullbacks like this, pullback like this, and then it starts running. You have a pullback, it starts running, small pullbacks as well, and this one also like this. And just recently it happened like the same thing like 2 or 3 times, and now we are also in the same zone. Maybe it's gonna go down to this support level right here. Maybe it can even go lower until here. But this is also a good opportunity to start putting your money into the stock market, because there is a really higher chance that the stock market will just come to this area and bounce and go even higher. So you will end up gaining a lot of money. So this is for VTI, VNQ, same thing. As you can see, before it went back to this kind of place, this zone, and then it took off. This is like the 100 zone, and same again in this example, and now it's doing the same thing. But as you can see, this is the higher heights of this ETF. So still it's gonna have some correction. So whenever you see something that's running up, it's like the law of gravity. Everything that goes up must come down, but always it goes up. It's not always coming down like the gravity. So VWO, this one actually, since I start Sarwa, it was not really doing so well, because probably the timing when I started using Sarwa, it was like already in the higher zones. So now it's still correcting itself, and I can't wait to see it actually crossing and breaking this level of 56. So next one is this one, developed markets. So this one is also the same thing, is still actually ranging in this period, And the last but not least is the Bitcoin Trust ETF. So this one is really something that you need to look for and look after, actually, because as you can see, this is Bitcoin, guys. So this is not the same numbers as Bitcoin, but it has the same pattern of the Bitcoin graph. So I will go and show you actually Bitcoin, and I see my laptop is starting to freeze a little bit. Anyway, Bitcoin is here, and as you can see, it's like the same copy paste of the same graph. So you will see that Bitcoin recently is really having a major pullback, and now it is in the 40,000 zone, and it's not sure if it's gonna bounce back up or it's going to break this support and even go lower to the 30,000 level. So I'm not sure if that's going to happen, but this is also a really good opportunity to see Bitcoin these levels, because a lot of people are really putting their money right now in Bitcoin, and they're taking advantage of these pullbacks. Not just Bitcoin, but all the coins that you are seeing, they are really very volatile. Like, they go up and down like crazy. So if you don't have that courage and you really scared about money, don't put your money from the first place in cryptocurrency. And Sarwa is actually doing the same thing. It's like they are giving you the option of including Bitcoin, or you can even remove Bitcoin if you think that it is really volatile for you and you think that it's gonna cause you a lot of tension and you will be stressed about it. So as you can see, it is the biggest loser in my assets with 27% down. So I'm losing a lot of money with Bitcoin, but still I know Bitcoin has a very good future, and it's been with us since 2010. And if you compare the prices, like in even 2019, you will see like Bitcoin is still making us a lot of money if we start invest in these kind of zones. So the same thing that you might see in the next 5 to 10 years ago, it's like 10 years away, sorry. So it's the same thing. You are now seeing it at 40,000. Maybe after 4 or 5 days, you're gonna see it in like $100,000. So that's the thing that I'm gonna show you. It's like, it's the long-term investment. Don't put your money. You're not a day trader. If you are a day trader, I'm not talking to you, because that's a really different way of trading and investing. It's like you are working as a day trader. I'm not talking about working as a trader, but I'm talking about the ones who are investing for the future, for long-term investments. I see Bitcoin has a big future in our life. So, and that's why a lot of countries are trying to fight Bitcoin, but still it is there. And as you can see, a lot of people are putting their money in the cryptocurrency. So that's it, guys, about Sarwa. So so far I'm losing some money because of the stock market. And you can see even the past performance. You see this week when I started investing and I just deposited some money, it was almost 11,000, and now I lost almost $400 really quickly. It's like even in 1 week. So $400 I lose it in 1 week. But still I'm feeling like fine. It's not a big deal because I know this is some normal movement in the stock market. So still have a lot of bad news in our world right now. We have the new COVID variants, this Omicron. We have a lot of tension between the countries and a lot of stuff like happening. So that's why the stock market is reacting like this, because the stock market doesn't like this kind of news and this kind of tension. Stock market is always looking for good and very approved economy. So whenever there's some good news in the market, you will see the stock market is running like crazy. So thank you guys for watching this review. So make sure also to watch the playlist that I am putting here for you guys concerning my Sarwa investment. So this is gonna be the 29th episode of this Sarwa progress playlist. So make sure to see the first one so you can see exactly how Sarwa is working and how is it gonna make you money on the long term. Because when I start, it was not for sure $10,000 as you are seeing here. It was even very low, like 4,000 and even like 5,000. And I start building my way up. A lot of this money is actually my personal money. It's my savings. So, but still I have some additional cash into this. And of course, I am still beating inflation. And that's the main goal, because when you put your money into the savings account, you are still losing a lot of money because of inflation. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and also make sure to use the link that I use always for you guys. I always put it in the description below. This link will allow you to get a free $50 once you sign up using this link with Sarwa, and once you deposit as a minimum of $5 into this account, which is an equivalent of a Starbucks coffee, like 20 dirhams or even low. So once you do that, you're gonna get a free $50 just like that, which is around 200 UAE dirham. So you just spend 20 dirham and you're gonna get 200 dirham. That's the best investment that you can even start with. So make sure to do that. And until then, guys, I will see you in the next reviews, and hopefully I will see my account growing a little bit. And I can't wait to show you, like, when I am reaching like higher numbers, like 15,000, 20,000. Hopefully we're going for higher numbers. I'm not getting any money out from this account, just to make things simple for you guys, so you will understand how this platform is working. Because once I will start withdrawing some money, you will see like things are not gonna be so clear for you, and you will see that maybe I'm not showing you everything in detail, so it's gonna be harder for you to understand how is this platform is working. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. So have a nice day, and make sure to put a like if you like this video, and if you have any questions, just write them in the comment section below, and I will be super glad to help you out with answering them. Thank you, and have a nice day.